Today I prepared for you buffalo
Poutine.
poutine.
Corona.
Corona. What are you doing?
Oh no.
Don't make me take you for that test where they shove the thing up the nose. Don't. Listen. You're choking on the sauce, I hope. All right.
This is why I need to breathe.
When I breathed in,
This is why
it was all buffalo sauce.
It better not be Rona. It better not be fucking Rona.
That's what she does to me.
Good.
I like this one.
This one's good, too.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Safety patrol's here, and he's concerned by
He's
the
like, what's up with
license
this
paperwork."
paper, Mommy? Is that from the 1700s?
Now we're at 1700.
You can't have